Na-overwhelm ka na ba sa mga nangyayari sa life mo right now? Ang daming choices ba na hindi mo alam kung alin yung pipiliin, alin yung magdadala sa'yo sa magandang future or magandang outcome, at ano naman yung mga, at alin yung mga hindi magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang outcome. If you're open to receiving a message, this is a collective reading, so we are tapping into the energy of the collective. So just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano ang message ng universe for you today. Angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is a message for this collective today? So we got the Hermit and the Five of Swords. So, pinipili mo na lang ba na mapag-isa, mag-isolate, kesa makisali sa mga arguments, makisali sa magkaroon ng conflict sa mga tao sa paligid mo, mas stress sa pagiging overwhelmed sa dami ng nangyayari sa paligid mo? Kaya pinipili mo na lang na mag-isa na lang muna at mag-reflect, mag-introspection, and mag-withdraw sa mga tao. Ayaw mo munang makakita ng mga tao, ganyan, or ino-observe mo lang yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. You also got the Six of Wands and Judgment. Okay. So, you are being awakened. You are being awakened and pinaparealize sa'yo, excuse me, na you are destined to have to victory. You are destined for success. You are destined for recognition. So, kaya mo siguro ino-overthink itong path mo sa life, kung ano yung mga um next actions mo, kasi you have been called for a higher purpose. So may higher purpose ka sa life mo. And yun nga, siguro na overwhelm ka lang sa dami ng mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. Kaya you choose to go into hermit mode, mag-reflect, mapag-isa, be in solitude, kesa maging um, makisali sa, maging ano, kesa makisali sa mga arguments, makisali sa mga conflict, or makipagdebate. Pinipili mo na lang mapag-isa, or kesa to deal with people, ganyan. Pero you are destined for success. You are destined for victory. Okay. Ang dami. Ang dami. Isa pa po. Okay, for Hermit and Five of Swords, we got the Knight of Cups. So, yung approach mo dito sa pagpili ng right decisions, or sa pagpili kung alin yung choice or life path na pipiliin mo, is gamit mo yung puso mo. You know, parang instead of logical thinking, you are using your emotions. So, I feel na this card, the Knight of Cups, he is approaching the situation with their heart. Okay? And then we got the Seven of Pentacles. This card is about waiting. So, I feel na hinihintay mong ma-harvest yung mga sinimulan mo ng itanim before. Hinihintay mo yung results, yung growth, yung progress, ng mga actions na naumpisahan mo. Kaya you are approaching this a bit slowly, pero hindi rin siya yung super mabagal. Parang you are just considering the different outcomes and different choices and different paths na nasa harapan mo ngayon. Kasi may hinihintay kang result. May hinihintay kang anihin. Okay, and then we got the Five of Cups. So, the Five of Cups, I feel na you are waiting for this mahinog yung mga tinanim mo before or maging ready to harvest yung mga tinanim mo before kasi I feel na dati nung hindi mo binigyan ng enough time yung sarili mo to reflect, to introspect, to go within, to para pag-isipan ng mabuti yung mga actions mo. It led you to a situation where you felt lost, where you felt grief, you were disappointed with the outcome, and I feel na this is extreme sadness. So, siguro na-disappoint ka sa outcome na nakuha mo dati. Kaya ngayon, you are being very careful on your choices. You are very careful kung paano mo i-handle itong indecision, itong pamimili kung alin yung next path or next action na gagawin mo. Ayan. Yeah. Yun. So, now, sige, tatabi ko na to. Let's get some special dates for you guys. 12 and 18. So, December 18, 15, and 17 on their own. 19 and 8. So, August 19, 4 and 12. So, December 4 or April 12. Last one, 2 and 9. So, September 2 or February 9. Ayan. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And ayan, if it did not, just leave it for someone who needs this message today. So, if you did, sana nakatulong itong message na to for you today. And I'll see you on the next reading. Bye!